Hey, hey, superstars! Welcome to Guess the Country by its Shape. Get ready to test your geography smarts and go on a world tour full of fun, facts, and fantastic shapes. We'll show you the shape of a country, and you have to guess which one it is. Pick the right answer from the 4 choices. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Round 1. Easy peasy. Question 1. This country is shaped like a triangle pointing down. It's the 7th largest country in the world. A. Brazil. B. India. C. Australia. D. South Africa. Answer B. India. Namaste. It's the land of spicy food, colorful festivals, and the Taj Mahal. Question 2. Look at that shape. It looks like a boot. Which country is it? A. France. B. Italy. C. Spain. D. Greece. Answer B. Italy. Ciao. Italy is famous for pizza, pasta, and ancient ruins like the Colosseum. Question 3. This country looks like a fluffy pancake with ears, and it's full of kangaroos. A. Australia. B. Canada. C. South Africa. D. Argentina. Answer A. Australia. G'day, mate. Say hello to koalas and the Great Barrier Reef. Question 4. This country is huge and in South America. It loves football and carnival parades. A. Mexico. B. Brazil. C. Colombia. D. Peru. Answer B. Brazil. Hola, let's dance in Rio and watch some soccer. Question 5. Stars, stripes, and 50 states. What's the name of this powerful country? A. Canada. B. Mexico. C. United States. D. Russia. Answer C. United States. Yeehaw! United States home to Hollywood, hamburgers, and huge cities. Question 6. This country is made of islands and shaped like a noodle. A. China. B. Indonesia. C. Japan. D. Thailand. Answer C. Japan. Konnichiwa. It's the land of sushi robots and cherry blossoms. Question 7. This country looks like a wizard's wand and has Big Ben. A. France. B. Ireland. C. Germany. D. United Kingdom. Answer D. United Kingdom. Cheers. Welcome to castles, kings, and Harry Potter land. Question 8. It's shaped like a hexagon and it's the land of baguettes. A. Spain. B. Germany. C. France. D. Belgium. Answer C. France. Bonjour, Eiffel Tower, croissants, and fashion galore. Question 9. This country is the most populated in the world and shaped like a big rooster. A. Japan. B. Russia. C. China. D. Mongolia. Answer C. China. Ni hao. It's the land of dragons, pandas, and dumplings. Question 10. It's at the bottom of Africa and is home to lions and safaris. A. Nigeria. B. Egypt. C. South Africa. D. Morocco. Answer C. South Africa. Hello from the Rainbow Nation. Round 2. Getting trickier. Question 11. It's the 2nd largest country in the world and has maple syrup and snow. A. Russia. B. Canada. C. Norway. D. Sweden. Answer B. Canada. A. Say hello to Mounties, moose, and hockey. Question 12. Pyramids, camels, and pharaohs. Which country is this? A. Morocco. B. Saudi Arabia. C. Egypt. D. Iran. Answer C. Egypt. Welcome to the land of the Nile and ancient mysteries. Question 13. It's south of the US and known for tacos and mariachi music. A. Argentina. B. Mexico. C. Chile. D. Spain. Answer B. Mexico. Hola amigos, viva la fiesta. Question 14. This country is in Europe and is famous for castles, cars, and sausages. A. Austria. B. France. C. Germany. D. Poland. Answer C. Germany. Hello? It's the land of fairy tales and autobahns. Question 15. It's the biggest country on Earth. Brr. It gets super cold here. A. Russia. B. Canada. C. Greenland. D. Ukraine. Answer A. Russia. Privet. Say hi to bears, ballet, and borscht. Question 16. This country loves flamenco dancing and delicious paella. A. Portugal. B. Italy. C. Greece. D. Spain. Answer D. Spain. Olé! Let's explore castles and coastlines. Question 17. This long-shaped country dances the tango and loves football. A. Chile. B. Argentina. C. Brazil. D. Peru. Answer B. Argentina. Vamos, time for soccer and steak. Question 18. It's made up of over 17,000 islands. That's a lot. A. Japan. B. Indonesia. C. Philippines. D. Malaysia. Answer B. Indonesia. Selamat datang. So many beaches and volcanoes. Question 19. This country looks like an elephant's head and loves spicy food. A. Vietnam. B. Cambodia. C. Thailand. D. Laos. Answer C. Thailand. Sawasdi. Let's visit temples and tasty markets. Question 20. This African country is famous for its wildlife safaris and the Maasai people. A. Nigeria. B. Kenya. C. Tanzania. D. Ghana. Answer B. Kenya. Jumbo, get ready for lions, zebras, and adventure.